Last time on This Old Outboard.
Alright, see if I can fire this thing up before Jimmy gets here with his boat trying to squeeze in here. Alright, like I said, I'm not done with this Joe Reeves thing, and it's not going to be nothing to have somebody drive this boat. I'll hold the frickin', you know, it's not like I'm really hanging off the back of a boat. So we'll get that done, because I need to know, is this really work? It seems to work, everybody does it. So this should be at 19 at wide open throttle. The method is take away 4, set it at 15 at cranking speed. Easy stuff. I'm gonna get me some minnows and get out here tomorrow. There's been fishing boats out here all day, right? Hanging out in the middle. All right, so yesterday, after I did the Joe Reeves method, and Jimmy came plowing in here, almost ran into me, and I had to help him because he got stuck right there on the sandbar. Yesterday, right out here, man, boats, and they were just circling right there for hours and hours and hours. So I know they were catching fish. So I'm gonna get loaded up and do me a little speck fishing. Went down, got some minnows, and at the same time get Mr. Johnson out here for a test run. All right, I'm loaded up. I'm in the water, baby. Johnson sounds a little rough the last couple times. Is it idle? This sounds a little rough. Like I said, I'm just gonna roll out right over here, throw something in the water, finish rigging up, let the wind just kind of take me. I can feel the difference changing that damn timing. Alright, let me get some bait in the water, and we'll take the GPS out. It doesn't feel quite as fast as it was, but it still feels good, man. It still feels good, sounds good, runs good. Just the idle on it, just a little, you know. Plus everything in there is old. I didn't replace any of that, you know, coils and everything. I didn't replace any of that stuff. So can't complain. 300 bucks and a little bit I spent on it for parts. Go easy on on this motor, man. The motor mounts are getting crappier and crappier. Oh, almost forgot my bait bucket's hanging out there. Damn, that would have been good. Like that time I was pulling the anchor. Ah! This is the first time I've fished out of the boat. Boom. I don't even care. I mean, I'd love to catch some fish, but I'm just thrilled to death to be out here relaxing. Yeah, baby. Let me try this other camera. That one just died. Anyway, I was saying as I was trimming up the motor and hitting 26, I mean, I was just hitting rough chop, bouncing, banging all over the place. So I just wanted to see what the difference was in my speed since I did the Joe Reeves wide open timing throttle method and or wide open throttle timing method, I should say. Anyway, I was hitting 26. This thing was doing 26, 27, and occasionally bumping 28. So it's just a little bit too rough out here to get a good run. And try to trim up the motor and do the camera. Yeah, I'd like 3 miles an hour on my idle speed, so I'm at the same place. Just seemed a little quicker earlier. All right, I think I'm gonna pack it in. It's just the washing machine. Nothing's hitting. All those people that were fishing yesterday are gone. Holy mackerel, man! I almost didn't make it in here. You can see I'm turned around. I come wheeling in, grabbed onto this damn thing. And the rear end blew all the way back there. I had to pull myself out. Yeah, I mean, it's just jerking the hell out of this stuff. I've got to drill that damn broken bolt out for the cover on this thing, the thermostat cover, and get my parts on. On, whatever you want to call it. Look at that damn spider, get out of here. And big pain in the ass. Now the good thing is I got a dimple right in the middle of this thing to get started. Now the bad thing is, is my bit gonna be any good? He's cutting it out right now. All right, see that way, all the way through. Get a little PB in there, start the boiling process. Anyway, another thing I noticed is when I pulled this cover off, compared to the 40 horse, this cover's clean. Look at this thing. Where on the 40, this was all black, where the water passageway is. Now I'm like, why is that thing black? you know, what's causing the water to be black inside the motor. It was like, you know, like maybe an exhaust leak or something is happening, and the circulating water is coming through, turning the cover black. So this screwdriver, old screwdriver, I busted the tip on it a long time ago, but I use it for just this kind of purpose, and I filed the tip down so it's real sharp. So I'm gonna get in here, try to get me a groove going and tap this thing out. If I can find me a good spot here. Come on now. Son of a gun of a hun of a huna hinga hanga. Well, I've been chipping away at it, and that's all I'm doing is chipping away at it. Damn it, man. Going around the edges, trying to keep it round. Because you start spreading it out, it gets stuck even worse sometimes. Freaking pain in the butt. I know somebody gonna just go get it easy out and put it in there. Been there, done that. Break that stupid easy out off your even worse shape. Want to keep it round. Don't want it to get away from me too bad. Yeah, I'm just tearing it up even more. Not good. Not freaking good. Well, I've just about mangled the shit out of it at this point. Follow the real life saga, ladies and gentlemen. Son of a bitch. Oh, shit. I'm gonna have to drill it out and tap it and all that shit. Damn it, man. Today's just not a good day. Nah, I'm just cutting it. I'm just shaving it off. I mean, I can see it, but I'm just making a freaking mess. I usually have pretty good luck with this crap. Alright, so I put the cover back on and make sure my hole is pretty damn center. You can see it. It's there. So I'm going to just drill it out. Try to stay as dead center as I can. And tap the damn thing out. Alright, so I'm just going to go a little bit bigger bit each time. Try to stay in the middle. Because the screw is harder than the aluminum, sometimes the bit will deflect off the screw, especially if it's stainless, and just head right for the aluminum. Then you're really screwed. Looks pretty good. Not too shabbily after I gave it a beating. Well now, this baby's got to be freaking straight. A little low out here. Told you I was going to have some fun. I'm looking good here. And I'm looking good here. Couple turns. Get me started. That's the problem too. You hit that damn metal screw fragments, if there's any in there. It's going to deflect this thing off. But if you go nice and easy, you should be able to cut right through that too. I hope. Maybe one or two more turns, but I'm going to flush it out before I do it. Oh man, I got stuck down there at the ramp fishing yesterday. I mean, not the ramp, at the dock. The wind was howling so bad. And I swung in there, man, grabbed hold of that freaking end of that dock. And it was life or death, man. The rear end of the boat just swang around, was heading right for the reeds. And I was holding on for dear life. And I wrestled that boat back to the dock and tie it off. And man, just unbelievable. I think that might be good right there. We'll give it a little test here in a minute. Yeah, that's all the way. Alright. You know, if I had finessed that damn bolt a little bit longer, probably could have got it out like the other two in the middle. Just a little bit more finesse, baby. Right there. Yeah, not too bad for a beat up, tap up job. So, boys and the girls, that was the lesson for today.
Oh yeah, baby, next time on This Old Outboard.
Well, I got my new gasket in. Nice package and look brand new. And it says, do not bend. I pulled this thing out and this is what came out. Can you freaking believe it? Look, this was all bent to hell. Somebody freaking bent it out of it. Damn it. I swear to God, man, I swear to God. You just want to freaking... Oh, Jesus, man.